Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. First of all, press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here services.msc and hit enter. So this will open services window. Now we need to find out the Windows update. Here it is. Right click on it, select restart. Then again right click on it, go to its properties, make sure we have to set this automatic in the startup type, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window. Then we need to go to the control panel, go to view by and set category, then click on uninstall a program. Now we need to uninstall the programs, unrequired applications from the system. For example, I'm not using Discord, so I will simply right click on it, select uninstall, select as. Once done, just close this window and then right click on the just go to search bar, type your task manager, click here to open it. Now we need to disable task and task the unwanted applications those are running on our system. For example, I'm not using Chrome, so as you can see on the in the task manager there is a Chrome application, so I will simply select it and click on end task. For example, right click on this task manager and click on end task. Okay, now press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Now type your %temp% and hit enter. You will get multiple files and folders here, so we need to select all these files and folders and click on delete. Once done, go to recycle bin, right click on it and click on empty recycle bin, select as, and simply restart your system. So you can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, restart your system, problem will be solved. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe to the channel.